Good morning, folks. We're going right to spaceweathernews.com and heading to the southern hemisphere. Two big filaments faced Earth, one let loose last night. But the Earth-facing quiet stepped it up because despite being perfectly Earth-directed when destabilizing, not a single piece of this rope is heading towards Earth. You can see it on the coronagraph images and in 304 angstroms, the red sun image. The material goes right and north and back down to the sun, but not directly out at Earth. Speaking of quiet, when a tiny C flare looks like a skyscraper on the X-ray charts, you know your star is exhausted, departing spots saying goodbye, while the new grouping on the left contains many more smaller umbral cores and beta-class magnetism. The solar wind speed in yellow is trending downward and Earth's magnetic shield remains quite calm at this time. There is not much doing with coronal holes, but for the temporary ones made by the filament release, top quake of the day was a rare location rumble south of Australia there. Folks, it's likely the greatest supernova ever seen. In fact, scientists can only come up with one explanation for its brightness: a magnetar. However, to be this bright, it has to come close to breaking the laws of physics. The magnetar star is only 10 miles across, but outshines the entire Milky Way galaxy. Something's not adding up there. Subo Dong made the most accurate statement of all the scientists involved, that they honestly had no idea what was powering the magnetar. Folks, this is part of NASA's precipitation measurement suite. IMERG was watching the United States all December, and now we've got this put together, a month-long rainfall accumulation graphic that will demonstrate how the tremendous flooding in the southern states unfolded. Yesterday I told you Hurricane Alex did not belong in the northern hemisphere right now. Well, now we can say it's one of the earliest to form here in about 80 years, and it's one of the most northeastern Atlantic hurricanes ever, only the second hurricane status storm to make it there. That's Alex just getting within binocular range of Portugal. I might suggest that Sprite sightings are possible from the coast of Europe as he spins closer. Time is short indeed, half of January is gone, and I can almost taste the frontier up ahead. Head over to spaceweathernews.com/OTF for details on the conference, or to otf.cells.com to pick up the tickets themselves. That's also where you get our book, by the way. Indeed, folks, VIP tickets are sold out for the conference. Got a tremendous Earth spot going to drive an extreme event over the coming 2 days in the United States, so be ready for the swing there. We're also going to peek in on a convergence line down under and then hit the shots of our star to close. It's 6:15 a.m. Eastern Time, and that's the news. Eyes open, no fear. Be safe, everyone.